start week 9. Before watching this video, you may ensure that you have completed your previous work. In this week, we will learn answer verification method that is called Navanga. Through Navanga, we can only check our answer is wrong or not. But one thing we have to remember, we cannot check our answer, it is 100% correct. I will tell you the meaning of this sentence. Firstly, we have to take an example. Our question is 23 plus 18. For verify the answer, firstly we have to check answer. Base of 18. Base of 18 is 20. That means we have to write 2 at 10's place. And complement of 8. Complement of 8 is 2. That means 2 will be here. We are doing addition. That means rule for addition is less the complement. 3 minus 2 is 1 and add the base. This is the base, so 2 plus 2 is 4. Our answer is 41. We have to check this answer. For checking the answer, firstly we'll have to make sum of the digits of the number. Our number is 23 and digits are 2 and 3. So sum of the digits is 2 plus 3, it gives 5. For 18, 1 plus 8, it gives 9. Again, plus is between them, so 5 plus 9 is 14. Again a 2-digit number, so 1 plus 4 is 5. From question, we got 5 from answer. It is 41, 1 plus 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. That means digit sum of question is 5 and digit sum of answer is 5. It seems our answer is correct. If it is not equal, that means our answer is wrong. But I gave you a statement that we cannot check our answer is 100% correct. So our answer is 41. If somebody writes instead of 41 is 14 and digit sum of 14 is also 5. From Navanga, it seems our answer is correct, but 14 is not a correct answer. That means from Navanga we can only check our answer is wrong or not. Let us take one more property of Navanga. In this method, 9 is treated as 0. Let's see. If we have an answer and we have to verify it. So firstly, we have to make digit sum of this answer. One plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 6 is 19. 19 plus 2 is 21. 21 plus 3 is 24. 24 plus 5 is 29. And 29 plus 4 is 33. That means we got 33. Then again 2 digits. 3 plus 3. So we got finally 6. I have given you a statement, then in Navanga 9 is treated as 0. Let's see how can we say. Our answer is like that. We can cancel 9 as 7 plus 2 is 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. We have only 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. When we were adding all the numbers, we were getting 6 and we have cancelled 9 and we got 6. That means 9 does not affect the answer. That's why this method is called Navanga. Let's verify one more answer from Navanga. 563 plus 181, answer is 744. Let us check. Digit sum of 563. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 plus 3 is 14. Again 2 digits. 1 plus 4 is 5. For 181, 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. That means 1 plus 0 is 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. From question we got 6. From answer, 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 4 is 15. Again 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. From question and answer we got 6. That means our answer is correct. So, let's apply property of Navanga. Our property of Navanga is, we can ignore 9 and we can treat 9 as a 0. 6 plus 3 is 9, that means we can cancel it. We have only 5 from upper digit. 1 plus 8 is 9, we can cancel it. We have only 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 4 is 15. 5 plus 1 is 6. That means our answer is correct. Let's verify one answer of subtraction. (91 minus 53) gives 38. Let's check. 9 plus 1, that means only 1. 5 plus 3 is 8. Minus 1 minus 8 is minus 7. That means 7 bar. From answer, 3 plus 8 is 11. Again 1 plus 1 is 2. From question we got 7 bar and from answer we got 2. We have to convert it. 7 bar. 7 bar, that means complement of 7. But we have to take complement of 7 from 9 because we are doing Navanga. In Navanga, we always take complements from 9. That means complement of 7 from 9 is 2. This is also 2. So our answer is correct. So friends, we have learned Navanga, the answer verification method. To practice it, check all the answers of the questions that have been solved by you in last stage.